Good morning. It's Miss Matters. Okay, I'm going to go to lakesidemeadows.weebly.com. This isn't saved on your computer yet. I don't know if you love me. So make sure that you guys are checking this at least on Mondays and Wednesdays. And if not every day, because I put helpful and important information up there. So this will be your homepage this week. And I wanted to show you guys, I made some improvements. So if you go to calendar, I have archived all of our lessons from March and all of our lessons from April so far. And so you guys can go look at those at any time and see anything we've done on virtual learning through the calendar. But this is all you'll need for this week. So today we are going to watch this video that you're in right now. I'm writing your paper through NoRedInk.com. You're going to contact me if you can't access your NoRedInk.com. And your Sleuth research paper is due Wednesday. And I'm going to put the links to all that in built in here. So by the time you guys check out my website, these will be gray and you'll be able to click them. So we can just look ahead to the rest of the week. You're going to be working on that research paper. The research paper is due Wednesday. I'm going to have optional Zoom sessions at 11 and 3 p.m. on Wednesday to help you if you have questions. And then Thursday, I'm not sure what we'll be doing yet, but then Friday I have office hours, and I've set up a Google Voice number. So if you have questions and it's easier to talk on the phone, then that's totally cool with me, as long as you're not calling me beyond these hours. Okay, so that's the website, and then let me show you on NoRedInk what it'll look like. Okay, so when you guys log in, which might be the hardest part about this, y'all will choose the Sleuth research paper, and then it will come up like this, just like your regular assignments. Analyzing topics and events can help us think critically about how the world works. When you closely examine a subject, and that subject is detectives, explain it to others helps you blah, 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 blah. So tell me more. So you guys click through these, and then I'm going to skip through this since I want to show you the assignment itself. Write a research paper on a detective, and this is exactly what you've already seen on my actual document that shows you what I want you guys to do. So you guys can then start writing. So Sherlock and his life or whatever. Okay? And then as you keep going through, it'll give you key pointers, and you can go through tutorials and examples of what good introduction paragraphs look like for a essay like this one. You can write your body paragraphs in here, and because it gives you tips on writing, plus I've given you exactly what I want in each of those body paragraphs, this should be pretty easy. Now, if you want, type it up here, and then that way it will give you feedback and help you write your essay. So, he ain't a bad detective. Right? So now, once I'm done with that and I submit it, it will give me advice when I'm done. So this will kind of give you an idea of what kind of essay we're looking at. This is that tutorial I told you about. And then the rubric here. This is exactly what I want you guys to be focused on, right? Make sure your facts are supporting the topic sentence that you write, all right? Each piece of evidence is either paraphrased correctly or quoted appropriately. You guys need to focus on this because it's to do with the MLA citations. I also created 2 of my own paragraphs for the MLA citations. You guys absolutely have to have the works cited page and internal citations. So check out the rubric if nothing else, but I wanted to give you guys, this is a great way to receive help. And then once you submit this, I it works as a draft, and that's where this gets really cool. So once I get a draft of your work, it will let me, it will let you go through it and talk you through how to change your paper and then submit something that you're really proud of to me. So just one more time, let's go back to my website. Let's go back to last week. And I know I have this linked on there. So this is your paper. It's due on Wednesday, and hopefully you've already been working on this. I had a lot of people submit their Friday assignment telling me which detective you're doing. So I'm excited to see what you guys come up with, and I'm excited to help you write these papers. If you have any questions, try this No Red Ink. Get back to me with your questions about it. And yeah, all right. I love you guys with my whole heart, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.